Actually, guys, I've decided that I'm going to try this with just drift tires on the back and grip tires in the front. You know why? Because who knows, that might actually work pretty well, and I may not have to do anything else with the car, so we can try that first. Now, what annoys me the most, as I said before, about this kit here is that it does not come with like nuts like this, and you cannot remove these tires at all. Now, the tires are roughly the same size, so it would have been awesome if I could have just removed these and put some of these on and then drifted with this, because it is a drift car, but it did not come with drift tires, same as this one. So I had to go out of the way to get these, so yeah, that's my little rant of the day. We'll see if this one drifts now with the drift tires, and I will see you soon in the next video.
Likey.